Hi guys, and welcome back. It's been a while, right? Thank you guys so much for your patience with me. I mean, I can't believe you guys are still here. Yeah, I'll tell you guys what I've been in a second, but today I'm going to show you guys 3 elegant updos that you can do in about 5 minutes or less. So for this one, I'm going to spray dry shampoo all over my hair, and then I'm going to put my middle section into a low bun. And then I'm going to alternate side and I'm going to pull the hair through the top part. And the reason why I'm doing this is because you don't have to use as many bobby pins. So I'm going to pull the top section down, and then I'm going to start wrapping it around the bun before pinning it in place. Now, as far as where I've been, I've been trying to launch my own products for the past 2 to 3 years. And the reason why this is taking so long is because I'm not just trying to slap my name on something that already exists. So all this time I've been traveling, going to another country, going to shows to meet the right people, the manufacturers, just building my team and all of that, which is still ongoing and is still a big struggle and a headache for me. But we're going to start off with my first launch of hair extensions. I've been working on this too for the past 2 or 3 years, but the reason why this has taken so long is because of the hero product. Even the hero product is almost done, but I'm really being picky, as I said, which is the worst thing you can do. It is a lot harder than what people make it out to be. But we're almost there. We're at the packaging part, which means I have more time for YouTube and anything else, and I can actually sleep now. So that's what I've been up to and why I haven't been uploading, but I am so excited to show you guys the final product because the colors are just beautiful. Okay, so for the second hairstyle, I'm going to show you guys a new hack. If you follow me on Instagram, which I hope you guys are, you've already seen it, but I did this because it was for fun. So for this, you're going to put the back section into a low ponytail and then get a long stick, a chopstick, pencil, whatever. And then you're going to start taking small sections of hair about 1 inch wide and start crisscrossing it on top of the chopstick all the way down. Next, tie these 2 sections with a hair elastic, loosen it up before you flip it. So after you flip it, let me tell you guys, it's going to look like a hot mess. I mean, it's not even going to be a hot mess. It's going to be an ugly mess, okay? Your head's going to look really squarish. You're going to be like, what the hell? This looks like crap, because it's going to look bad. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take that 2 hair elastics and put it into the main ponytail, and then remove these small hair elastics used on the front ponytail. Next, you see how weird my head is here? It looks very square. It's because this is as I said, this is like a fun tutorial. So what you're going to do now is you're going to pull out the middle section of the head to create a rounder shape. And then that's pretty much it. I mean, it is really easy and fun, and it creates this really beautiful boho shape. You're going to bring your hair into a regular ponytail style in the middle of your head. Then take a pencil or something similar. We're going to start wrapping our hair upwards around the pencil. And the way I wrap this is by going down twice and then start wrapping it back up twice so that it's not all uniform. And then, while holding on to the ends of the hair, you're going to pull the pencil in a vertical line before pinning it into the hair. And that should hold everything in place. It's going to feel extremely secure, but the top part is going to kind of stick out. So what I did here is I stuck 2 hairpins. Hairpins are the ones that doesn't touch in the middle. I stuck 2 big hairpins at the top, and that is all I used. This is like the most perfect trick, but you might have to try this a couple of times to get it right because everyone has different hair length and thickness. Now, there are 2 ways you can wear this hairstyle. You can wear the classic 90s French twist look, or you can pull it out and make it messy and more lived in looking, which I prefer, but both ways it works perfectly well. So be sure to try this out. And we're done. If you guys liked today's tutorial, let me know below which one was your favorite style from today, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. I love you guys. Have a beautiful new week, everyone. Bye.